Today, we found out more about the investigation into a crash that killed 3 construction workers in York County last year. We appreciate you joining us tonight at 11. I'm TJ Anthony. So police say Reed Davenport fell asleep and rammed into a work zone in I-83. However, some questions still remain about what exactly happened prior to the crash and who Davenport really is. Maxine Rose has that part of the story tonight.
Today, we got a first look at 25-year-old Reed Davenport of Maryland as he walked into his first court appearance. This happening 1 year to the day since he drove down I-83 south in his Ryder box truck and crashed into an active work zone, killing 3 construction workers.
We needed documents regarding the history of Mr. Davenport as a commercial motor vehicle driver.
York County District Attorney Tim Barker mentioning Davenport's prior history as a key part in the year-long investigation. According to an affidavit, Davenport had gotten his medical examiner's certificate, which meant he had not used an illegal substance within the past 2 years. It also adds that he had passed a drug test a month before starting to drive the box truck, which included being negative for marijuana.
Davenport was not coherent when he was traveling towards the active work zone with little to no traffic in front of him.
Barker says Delta-9 THC was later found in his blood, and that's what ultimately led Davenport to veer off into the properly lit and marked work zone. However, Davenport told police that he had to care for newborn puppies and had little opportunities to sleep before previous shifts.
His exact words were, "I'm not going to lie, I am running on no sleep. I stayed up 24 hours yesterday."
Barker says Davenport should have known better as a CMV and CDL driver how to properly avoid impaired driving and fatigue.
This case, under these circumstances, looking at all of the evidence together, that it equaled recklessness with extreme indifference to the value of human life and therefore merited murder of the 3rd degree.
There are still some questions about how and when Davenport consumed the THC, but for now, he is currently being held in York County Prison without bail. In York, Maxine Rose, CBS 21 News.